kitchen has taken on quite a bit of transformation. But what may be the biggest transformation of them all? The cabinets. Last renovated in the 70s with floral backsplash and countertops and varnished plywood cabinets. The kitchen could use a little updating, but during these renovations, we're gonna need to put all our stuff somewhere. It's time to go full force on the cabinets.
These aren't actually black. It's dirt and grime from like 50 years. Yucks, bugucks. Oops. See the difference?
Dusty. You forgot to turn on the vacuum. Tell everyone why you're so dusty.
I forgot to hook the shop back up to the sander.
How long did you sand without it on?
Half the time.
Jeez Louise.
Oops. Polished cotton. It's a very soft blue.
Get to do now?
Put our kitchen back together somewhat. Where do we start?
Where do those go?
We are going to put our bowls right here. All of our cups and dishes will go here, so it's easy to put them away from the dishwasher.
We got a new dishwasher!
Yeah. Over here are going to be all of my baking essentials. All our food's gonna be here in our pantry. Oh, these don't fit!
We want a very light and bright kitchen, so we decided that we're gonna paint our cabinets white. Hello, my chug. It's the new year. What's your plan?
Finish the kitchen.
That requires some work, you know. Where are you going?
I'm going to put on my work clothes.
Work her down.
Tool. I need a screwdriver. I need a What's that thing? Crowbar. You're making the butcher block for here. You could do that now. Go. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, that was... That's exciting. It's gonna look so cool.
What news did we get?
Our install date for the counter? Yay! 21 days!
What's your plan for the backsplash?
Oh, I'm going to paint over this so it doesn't look crappy for the next month. It's the last baking this baby's ever gonna do. We're getting our new stove tomorrow.
Today is the day goodbye. No goodbye. What are you doing?
Reading all our YouTube comments. No, you gotta do the dishes first.
The countertops are coming soon. First gotta clean all the dishes so I can take out the sink.
Countertop day! We gotta remove the countertop.
Yeah, take off this.
Whatever about the dance, get like I said.
Rip her out.
Ew! Whoopsie!
And when I say hold yourself, I want all of you get ready to stop.
No fair!
When I say stop,
Ow! Don't touch it. Oh!
Don't look at it.
It's burning.
Oh jeez.
Oh, rinse it out. That's probably contaminated. Ow, don't pull it apart!
Oh, looks like you're gonna need a band-aid. Let me get my medicine kit.
Ew.
Don't look.
Hurry, I'm feeling queasy!
Coming to the rescue. I got my first aid kit. My handy dandy first aid kit.
I'm going to wash it. Fix me.
when I say stop,
You're working with one hand now?
Apparently, I'm a one-handed master.
when I say stop, don't move. And when I say get it,
Ready, boys?
all of y'all to go. Hold it now. Boogie woogie.
We done.
I need my sink hooked up. I got dishes to wash.
It all works.
Yay!
Any leaks?
No leaks.
Good. Real good. We have a sink.
It's beautiful.
Okay, back to the cabinets.
You're not a very good gluer.
Good enough. So we line it up.
Are you sure it's lined up?
Close enough. Bam. And then we continue the process. I think YouTube had enough of my butt. Actually, that's our most popular video. My butt. There's no coincidence. What's next?
Breakfast.
In the kitchen.
The backsplash, the butcher block countertop, and the finishing touches. Finally.